and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I do have another wig review for you all. This is a unit that was sent over from Sunber hair. So this is what the box looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this with you all, and then we'll get into the specs of the hair. So when you first open it up, you can see the wig is sitting right there. And then underneath, she came with a couple goodies as well. It looks like we have some lashes, some hair clips, a pretty scarf, and a headband in there. So that was nice. And she also came with a wig cap. So this is the wig here. It is a Vpart wig, and it is a kinky curly texture. And that is what the parting space looks like. So it's similar to a U-part, but you're able to leave even less leave out or no leave out at all. Inside here, you do have 5 of these clips to attach around your parting area to make sure you know the wig is secure. And then you also have 3 combs, 2 on each side, 1 down bottom, and adjustable straps. So this is only my second time installing a V-part, so you know I'm still getting a feel for them. I'm gonna go ahead and you're gonna see the process of how I put this on. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just pop open all of these clips. They need to be open for me to secure them onto my hair. Alright. That one is always sticking up crazy, just ignore that. But so I have my hair just parted down the middle with my regular 2 little pigtails that I took and I crisscrossed them to try to get my hair as flat as possible. So that's what I have going on. And I'm just going to be looking in the mirror over here as I add these clips to my hair. So I'm going to start, let's see.
Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, beauty, so I am back and I'm ready to chat with you all about this fluffy goodness that we received from Sunber hair. So let's get right into it. This is the kinky curly texture. It is a V-part wig and it is 22 inches long. It is 22 inches long when stretched, meaning when you pull on it, you get 22 inches. But in its curly state, it is not. It's more like, I don't know, 18. 16-ish. This unit is big head friendly. It is all size friendly because it comes with those clips that allows you to position it pretty much wherever you need to. So all sizes should be good with these V-part units. This texture is really pretty and it looks so natural. Like this mimics natural hair really nicely. It does come looking like a little sleek and a little shiny, but after you play around with it a little bit and you know you fluff it up, then I think it turns into a really natural looking texture. I'm here for it. Y'all know I like big hair, I like fluffy hair, I like curly hair. So this unit pretty much checks off all of those boxes for me. And I just think it's so pretty. Like I feel like a natural hair diva in this one. This is natural hair goals right here. Because I'm telling you, my wash and go does not turn out like this. I did not receive a lot of shedding or tangling from this unit. The hair feels really soft. It's really full. And it has a great density to it. Bouncy, fluffy, big, all of that. The volume and the density is great. Let me turn around so you can see how she's looking in the back. I don't know if she needs some extra fluff or if she's good. I don't know. But that's the back of the hair. And of course, this is the parting space. And that's with no leave out at all. So this unit is really cool for a couple of different reasons. Number one, it's beginner friendly. You do not have to have a lot of experience and put it on wigs in order to snap these clips into place and walk out of the house and be cute. It's really, really quick. I installed this hair in like 5 minutes. That's it. So quick and so easy. This unit is also ideal for those who maybe have thin edges or thin hair in general, because you do not need to use any leave out. I did not use any leave out with this part, with this install, so it's great because you don't have to worry about trying to blend your hair and trying to make it match the texture of the wig. It's just the wig itself, and the part is your natural part. And another cool thing about it is you don't have to worry about using makeup or trying to make your scalp look natural, because it's literally your scalp. Like, the part is really your part, like I said. So it's like the perfect added touch for a natural look. But those are just about all my thoughts on this unit. It's a win for me. It's the texture matched with the convenience that just makes it a 10 out of 10. I have no major cons with this unit at all. Let me know down in the comments how you're feeling this kinky curly texture, and also, have you tried the Vpart wigs yet? Do you plan on trying it? Let me know down in the comments section, or if you have any questions or anything that I missed. I will have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you go on their website, check it out, take a look around and see what other options they have in this Vpart style, because this trend is not going anywhere. I would once again like to thank Sunber Hair for sending me this. I would once again like to thank Sunber Hair for sending me this unit over to review. And thank you for making it to the end of this video, watching in full. I truly do appreciate it. And I will chat with you all later.
Talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone